Hey guys, Mr. Hanson here on our weekly introduction. Just really quick here, guys. Your assignment this week is going to be chapters 20 through 23. Now, these are going to post tomorrow morning as well as this is. So it's going to be 20 through 23. You have a quiz as usual, and then you have a discussion question. Now, I did not put any more supplementary material this week. I don't think there was anything super new in this. If you've already reviewed the other supplementary stuff, they would really add a ton. I will say that this section does become darker as Amir returns back to Afghanistan and Kabul particularly. The areas become war-torn from the Taliban, and much of what we hear in the news and over the years is what he describes and depicts in the book. Again, some of it's not pretty, but I would again emphasize here, guys, there's always things to be offended by, but I hope you're offended by for the right reasons. There's a lot to take in again on this. For your question, guys, in particular, I want you to think about in this reading. It says, in this section of the book, Amir makes a reflection about himself. You're gutless. It's how you were made. And that's not such a bad thing, because your saving grace is that you've never lied to yourself about it. Not about that. Nothing wrong with cowardice as long as it comes with prudence. But when a coward stops remembering who he is, God help him. And I said, yet Amir later proves to himself that he could be heroic even in the face of death. So what I want you to do for part one in this first paragraph on your response, what is something that you feel like you've always known about yourself, and maybe ways that you've discovered different sides of yourself? Okay, so this could be a truth that you feel maybe isn't always positive, or whatever you feel comfortable sharing. For instance, I feel like one of my things that I've known about myself is I try to be kind, and I think of myself as a kind person. But maybe a darker side to myself is sometimes I can be malicious. I can sometimes let things bottle up inside myself. I've talked about that in a previous post, but that might be something that you look at here. For the second part, oh yeah, I already discussed that. Okay. Well, you lot, this is going to post tomorrow. Write this properly so you're not confused. Anyways, good luck on your reading, guys. I hope you're enjoying this book so far. We're almost done with it. We have one more section left next week, and then we are finished. So, in addition to that, guys, just as a reminder, you do have your I believe statement, which was posted last week. Again, be looking at this and be jotting down some things. This is something, again, you don't maybe want to wait to the last minute, but you can spend some time this week constructing that and getting that ready for submission next week. Okay. You lot, good luck to you, and as usual, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or Mr. Weber or Mr. Perry if he uses these. All right, thanks, guys.